channel. My name is Sonia. If you're brand new to my channel, first time visiting, my name is Sonia and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am participating in a challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy, Christina from the DIY Mommy, and it is her 2019 DIY and decor challenge, and for the first of this year it is organization. So I have decided to organize my makeup vanity, my skincare vanity that's in my bedroom. I have it organized somewhat, but I wanted to move all my skincare from my bathroom to here because I have been enjoying putting lotions on and creams and whatnot at night and in the morning in front of this light that I have from Costco. So anyway, so I needed to make some adjustments, reorganize it so I can fit everything in it. So I hope you will like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. And I just want to say thank you so much to Christina for hosting these awesome challenges. I do love participating in them, and Christina is a fellow Canadian as well. So if you didn't know, I'm Canadian too. So come along. Oh, before I get started actually on organizing this, I just wanted to share some products that I will be using. So most of my organization, well, almost all of my organization comes from a Dollarama or Dollar Tree. And so I had picked up these boxes. Now there's usually 3 in a pack, but I'm using one of them for something else. So these, and then these came, I know for sure, these ones came from Dollar Tree. And I just have some in this size and in this size. And then these ones came from Dollarama. I think there were like 3-pack for around $1.25, I think. I've had these all for a while, but this one I had picked up recently, and this one was, I think, $1.50 from Dollarama, and I'm going with the gold accent, and you will see why, because if you haven't seen what my vanity looks like, now you don't understand why I'm going with gold, but if you did, you'll know why I'm going with gold. And then I've had these around the house. They were black, and I had some spray paint, so I spray painted them in gold so they match my other gold stuff, and I will put some brushes and stuff in here for organizing them. So anyway, so let me show you what my vanity looks like. So here it is. It is a desk that I had picked up on Facebook Marketplace and decided to give it a new life. This was a while ago, and I actually have a video. It's called Thrifted Trash to Treasure, which was another challenge I had participated in. And the gold was there, so I had left it because I thought it kind of looked a little elegant maybe. But anyways, I still like the gold, so I kind of wanted to accent the gold even more. So I am going to be adding some gold touches to it, although my mirror is silver, so maybe I should just repaint it, but maybe another video. So in here, just to kind of show you, I've got all my foundations, primers, and powders. Here is everything for lips and some highlighters and blushes. And I need to also purge a lot of stuff. So over here I've got stuff for eyes. So I have mascaras, eyeshadows. Apparently I was gonna wear these at one point in my life. And so just different stuff for eyes. And then down here, it's just mismatch of stuff. So this is the one where I want to move my skincare to. So this one will look totally different once I'm done with it. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take everything out and give it a good clean. So that way I have like a blank slate to start organizing. So to clean the drawers, I will be using the method with daily clean. So here it all is. I have put everything together and now I'm going to go through everything and clean it. And for cleaning the containers or messy lids, I will be using just water and vinegar that I had mixed together and a microfiber cloth. I have also pulled out my skincare stuff so I can sort it out here as well. So here it is. So over there, the little pile, that's garbage. So I did not dispose as much, but that's okay. I got rid of things that I did not need. So did some rearranging, and now I'm gonna try and organize that to go into the vanity. And over here in the 31 tote, that's for all the travel samples that I had that had accumulated in a drawer. They're gonna go in with my travel. And then there's just some cleansers, makeup removers, eye makeup removers, and some hair things that are gonna still go to the bathroom. So now I'm going to start organizing things in here, and it's like a puzzle. So bear with me. all done. So I have ended up using one of my apothecary jars that I had and put all my cotton pads in there for the face. And then let me show you how I organized. There's still room for adjustments. I'm not sure what I could fit on this side, but obviously there is room. You could put sticky tape or sticky tack underneath these so they don't slide, if that's what you want to do. And I think even if you line the inside of your drawers with some of those rubberized liners, it might prevent it from sliding, but they are not sliding too bad. So here it is. So I've got my foundations and my CC and BB creams here. I have my makeup sponges, my setting spray, and my primers, my primers for eyes, and my concealers, and then my powders are in here. And I'm not gonna go over with what I'm using, that's a separate video. And then over here, I'm not sure if I'm loving this, but for now that's how it's gonna be. I just didn't have room to put that lipstick holder anywhere, and I did not quite like the one I had. I'm gonna go see if maybe I can find thin ones, and I don't know if they actually exist, but anyway. So over here I have my bronzers and my highlighters, then just some lip stains and some lip gloss, and also just some hydrating lip balms. And then over here I have my blushes, and then my the pencil liners, lip liners. I think I have more lip liners than lipsticks. Then over here is all about the eyes. So I've got all my eyeshadows in here except one. And then I have my eyebrows, my eyeliners here, single eyeshadows, and then my mascaras. And then I've got the eyelash curler, tweezers, and this is actually soap for cleaning makeup brushes. And then over here I have put this in gold, the skincare, because I will often take the whole thing and put it up top, so I wanted it to look pretty. And then all of my brushes, I separate them by powders and blushes and then highlighter and bronzers in one, all the foundation and concealer brushes in the other, and then everything for the eyes in the third one. I have a rag that I'll often put on the table while I'm doing makeup so I don't get the table dirty. Some extra skincare and some masks are in here. The giant eyeshadow palette is here. I use Johnson Head to Toe body wash to wash my brushes, and then I also have a little headband. And that is everything. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching and joining me, and again thank you, Christina, for hosting this challenge. I really enjoy doing all your challenges, and if this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to press the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss out any of the fun that we have on this channel. So, and for all of you returning viewers, thank you so much for watching. I wouldn't be here without you. So until next time, have a wonderful day.